All right, so we're on to the next page here, and we're going to be talking about the JWT package, which is JSON Web Token. What this will do for us, it allows us to, when a user would log in, they are given a specific unique pass that's only good for maybe 24, 48 hours to access protected websites, and it's also used in your website to actually identify this user. Okay, so anyways, it's a way to authenticate people that are logging in, and we're going to take advantage of the npm package of JSON Web Token. Okay, so everybody, if you could, go into your terminal, and if you're not there, make sure you right-click maybe your package.json file, right-click, and go ahead and go to Open in Terminal. Now, Mac users, you're going to have to use the word sudo, and Windows users can go ahead and follow along from this point forward, which is you're going to do npm install, and then you're going to type in JSON Web Token. Okay, so I'll leave that up here for a few seconds, but once you do that, Mac users, you'll see your password. Go ahead and type that in if you do see it. Remember, this is the password to your computer. Okay, so it's going to go ahead and install it, and then we'll see you in the next video.